In this lesson, we will learn powers and roots. So the powers or indices, we can write a number multiply by itself number of times, then you can write that one as a power or indices. For example, if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, you can write as a power. But if you multiply 2 into 3 into 6 something, you can't write it. Only multiplying that number itself number of times, then you can write it as power or indices. So for example, square is that number multiplied by that number is a square number. You learned it before. That number multiplied by that number again multiplied by the same number, then that is a cube number. So that is, say for example, 2 into 2 is a square number. 2 into 2 into 2 is a cube number. So those type of numbers you can write as powers or indices. So 2 into 2 can be write as 2 to the squared. That means 2 small 2 at the top of 2. How many times it's repeating? So 2 is repeating 2 times. The multiplication is repeating 2 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 3 times the 2 is coming. Therefore, you can put the 3 at the top. That's it. We say this one as 2 cubed. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 to the power 4. Anything more than 3, you just write still as number to the power of something. Okay, the small floating digit is known as the power or index number. So the roots are opposite to powers. So 2 squared is 4. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore square root of 4 is 2. So similarly, 15 square is 225. Square root of 225 is 15. 5 cube is 125. 3 cube root is 5. So how to estimate power of a value? So 2 square is 4. That's, you can easily find 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4. For example, if they ask you to estimate the value of 3.7 cube, that means you have to multiply 3.7 by 3.7. You have to find the value, then you have to multiply again by 3.0. That's a long task. So if you want to estimate, you don't need the exact value. So for that one, what you can do, you have to find the number, the highest number smaller than 3.7 and the lowest number greater than 3.7. So you need to find the whole numbers. So 3 is the highest number less than 3.7. 4 is the lowest whole number greater than 3.7. So 3 is highest number less than 3.7. 4 is the lowest number greater than 3.7. Now you can find the cube of those numbers. You know that one. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So we know that one. 3.7 cube is lie somewhere between 27 and 64. But 3.7 is near 4 than 3, because there is 7 over 10 part near 10, so near 4. So therefore the 3.7 cube somewhere around 50. You can estimate it. You can give the whole number as an estimated value. So it can't be 60 because it will be very near 4. So 50 could be the possible whole number for the estimation. So in this lesson we will estimate the value of square root of 53. Is the similar mechanism. So first step, you need to find the whole numbers. The square number, the highest square number less than 53 and the lowest square number greater than 53. Those are 49 and 64. 49 is 7 square, that is the highest number less than 53. 64 is equal to 8 to the power 8 square, that is the lowest whole number greater than 53. So we know that 1 square root of 53 lie between 7 and 8. Now we need to estimate. 53 is near 49 than 64. So 49, the difference between 49 and 53 is 4. The difference between 64 and 53 is nearly 11. So we need to find a number between 7 and 8 to match to that one. We think 7.3 would be somewhere will produce 53. 7.3 square will give 53. This is not exact, but the exact value is 7.280. We are only estimating it. So it can be 7.4, 7.2, but we are estimating, or 7.3 could be the ideal one. But it can be 7.4 or 7.2 as well. This is only an estimation. This is not the correct one, but 7.3 we are estimating as square root of 53.